Hello friends, welcome to your own channel, Noiseless Investment. Here we try to decode a company based on the fundamentals and get to know if the company is worth our investment or not. Please note, I am not a SEBI registered advisor and these are my personal views based on the fundamentals of this stock. Please do your due diligence before investing in this stock and consult your financial advisor before investing. Okay, so today we are going to do a fundamental analysis of Tech Mahindra. So this is the website of Tech Mahindra. You can just visit this website and get to know more about this company. And so now moving on to the screener. So here we see that Tech Mahindra as of now is so the current market price of Tech Mahindra is 1094 and the market cap of Tech Mahindra is 1,06,415 crores. The stock PE is 22 and the industry PE is 25. So it is cheaper than the industry PE. If we look into the ROCE, so the ROCE oscillates between 22.5 till 25.7. So this is the average ROCE for 10 years and this is the present ROCE for this year. If we look into the ROE, it oscillates between 17.6 till 20.8. If we look into the promoters holding is lesser than 50%. And if we look into the FIIs, they are holding 26.9% and the changes in FIIs holding is minus 1.08. So they have reduced their stake. So if we look into the DIIs holding, it is 25.7 and they have increased their holding by 1.95%. Face value of this stock is 5 and the debt to equity ratio is 0.1. So there is a very little debt on this company. The interest coverage ratio is also impressive, it is 20.8. If we look into the highs and lows the company has made for this year, it is 1166 and 948 was the lowest that the company has made. So now if we look into the sales growth CAGR, it is 19.4 and the profit growth CAGR is minus 13.1. If we look into the EPS, the earning per share, it is 49.6. And if we look into the operating profit margin, it is 14.6. If we look into the quick ratio, it is 1.83, which is good. If we look into the return on invested capital, it is 18.3, which is also very good. The Altman Z score is 6.51, which is nice. If we look into the Piotrowski score, it is 5, which specifies average financials. If we look into the return over 1 day, over 1 month, it is 2%, return over 1 week is 1.75% and return over 1 day is 1.52%. If we look into where exactly the stock is as of now in comparison to the 52-week low, it is 15.4% away from from the 52 weeks low and it is 66.19% away from the 52 weeks high. Now let's move on to the beta for this stock and we get to know the beta is 1.09, which is higher in comparison to the market. Now let's move on to the score, the stock score. It is 7 out of 10. The earning is 6 out of 10. Fundamentals is 8 out of 10. The relative valuation is 6 out of 10, risk is 9 out of 10 and price momentum is 4 out of 10. Now we look into the chart structure of Tech Mahindra and this is the chart. We look into the volume. The volume is higher in comparison to the normal days. And we see that there is a bullish green candle that has been formed on this. So it has taken the support of the 50 days moving average and it has bounced back from here. Now if we look into the RSI, so RSI is 54.3, so nothing can be depicted from this stock because it is not moving, it is in the range of till 55%, 55. So once it will cross the mark of 60, if the RSI will cross 60, then relative strength can be gauged from it. So the MACD line is, this black line is as of now below the red line. So as of now we cannot say that the stock is in bullish momentum or not, but as per the data that we have, it specifies that the stock is in bullish trade. If we look into the return over 1 month, it is 2%, 1.5% over 1 week, and return over 1 month is 1.52. So somewhat the stock is in bullish trade. Now we look into the fair value for this stock is 1296 is the fair value for this stock, and so which leaves a room of 18.6% upside potential, and the spread is 639 till 1695. You can look into the pros and cons of this company from here. Please consult your financial advisor before investing in this stock. Thank you. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the useful informations like this if you like this video. Thank you.